This is our 2020 Boston Whaler 25 Outrage. Great offshore boat, nice deep V. This boat has a glacier green gel coat, black boot stripe. Kind of unique feature, it has a black powder coat as well, which is not commonly seen on whaler. And also the glacier green underneath the hardtop. It's powered by twin 225 Mercury Verados, Link Code trim tabs, huge live well in the leaning post on here, painted blue, pressurized with an acrylic lid so you can see how much bait you have left. Nice cup holders. The dash does not have any electronics, so you can put on whatever you want. Raymarine, Garmin, Simrad. Digital throttle and shift. Full glass window with an actuator that can open up the top if you need some more airflow. But the console definitely wraps around you a little bit, protect you from some of the elements if you're going offshore. Nice wide walk through here. The vacuum flush head system in your main panel with your keys and your Fusion stereo. Huge seating up front. Very comfortable if you're not going to fish and use the boat to go to the beach or go cruising around to restaurants. Cooler underneath here. Tackle storage. Large fish boxes on both sides of the boat. If you want more information, please give us a call, 239-481-8200. You can see this boat at MarineMax in Fort Myers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.